Well, hi everybody, it's Andrew from BDP again, and I'd just like to show you how to set up an applicant communication for a price change. We've had a request from one of our clients to set up an automated notice to any applicant who's expressed an interest in a property that if the price changes, they'll get an automated notice. So to do this, we're going to go into the configuration menu, subsection configuration, and we're interested in the email templates widget and the business rules widget. We're going to add a new email template, and then we're going to base a rule upon it. We're going to get the template from the BDP help website, which is at i.bdphq.com/email-templates-examples. The easiest way to get to that is to go to the search bar in i.bdphq.com, search for templates, and email templates examples is the page that you the first page in the list. Under the section applicant communication, we've got a example template for change of price. Clicking on that shows that here's the code for that particular template. This template's slightly different from other standard communications insofar as it includes an image of the actual property that the applicant has expressed an interest in. So we're going to save that to the desktop by right-clicking the actual hyperlink to the template, save link as, and it's going to save the document to the desktop, changeofprice.txt. Let's just bring that in so you can see it. Going to save it to the desktop, and we click save. So now we've got that text document on our desktop. We can now add it to BDP. So we're going to go to the email templates widget, click here to add a new template. We're going to call it applicants change of price, and we are going to upload it. This time we can upload it as an HTML file. Given that there is an HTML tag in the template pointing to an image, we can go to the file that we saved on our desktop, changeofprice.txt, click to add that. We don't want to use it as an external report, we don't want to use it manually, we just want to use it based on a rule, and it's sales template in this particular example. Click save. Now we've got a new template, app change of price. We now need to create a rule that's going to use the applicant change of price template. So click on to create a new rule. The event is price change, property price change. There it is in the list of events. The action is send email. The display now changes because it recognizes that this is going to be an email. It asks us for a rule name, so we're going to call this again app change of price. Who are we going to send it to? We want to send it to all applicants who are associated with this property. So these are property contacts and applicants. And again, the rationale is when an applicant has expressed an interest in a particular property, either through having a viewing, through requesting details, through having phoned up to make an inquiry, that applicant is then associated with the property until or unless we unattach them from the property. We want to send it as HTML. We want to use the template app change of price, which we've just created. We'll give the email a subject, change of price, and we'll put in the property address. And this is a BDP specific placeholder, property details.format address, exactly as it's written there, and that will insert automatically the property address. I'm going to leave the email from name and email from address as the defaults. We don't want to use it for lettings, we just want to use it for sales. We only want to display this when the property is online. When the property is offline, we don't want to send a change of price notice, because otherwise when we are first preparing the property for sale and we change the price from 0 to whatever the asking price is going to be, that is a property price change, and obviously we don't want any notices going out in those circumstances. So we're only going to send out these notices when the property is online and when the status of the property is available or for sale. Depending on how your account is configured, you'll probably see either one or the other of available or for sale, so we'll just tick both of those to be safe. We don't want this to be sent out under any other situation, so we'll click save, and the rule is now creating in the background. So there we have applicant change of price. It sends out the rule based on the template applicant change of price, and so all applicants who are associated with that property will now get a notice to let them know that the price has changed. And there we are. Thanks for listening, and let us know if we can help you by emailing help@bdphq.com or give us a call.